New tonight, with immigration enforcement ramping up across the country, we keep hearing the phrase due process. It is a constitutional right, but does it actually apply if you are not a citizen? 13 WREX's Manny Estopinan is digging into the Constitution to separate fact from fiction.
The country's founders put the term due process right into our Constitution. Under the Fifth Amendment, it says no person shall be, quote, deprived of life, liberty, or property without due process of law. Immigration attorney Sarah Dady says at its core, it's a protection against government overreach.
If the government accuses you of doing something or wants to take something from you, whether it's your property or your freedom, they have to prove their case. And people have the right to be given notice of what the government is accusing them of having done wrong, and the opportunity to have a neutral decision maker review the evidence and decide if the government has a case or not.
But who exactly gets those protections? According to Dady, the Constitution doesn't care about your status.
When someone is accused of a crime, the full due process protections of our Constitution come into play, regardless of anyone's legal status. When someone is accused of a civil offense, there's still some due process protections, but fewer than in a criminal process.
And that's a catch, because Immigration, Customs, and Enforcement is pursuing people under civil law, not criminal. The rules are different. You do not get a public defender. If you want a lawyer to fight your deportation, you have to find one and pay for it yourself.